Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi Magnifica espresso machine. Now for this machine we just replaced the grinder. This one that you see right here is the old grinder. The one that you see right there is the new one. So yeah, that's all we did. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna just test it out. I mean, we'll be already testing this machine quite a lot. We'll be a lot of coffee to make sure that the grinder was grinding properly and at the right setting. We also depleted everything from the hopper as it was completely full of oily beans, oil from the beans itself. As you can see, we're having a nice flow coming out of the spouts. Really good crema forming at the bottom of the cup, and at the top of the cup, and just looking really great. And we can still increase the grind settings of this grinder. We are using the 3.5, so yeah, it's working perfectly fine. And that's all we did to this machine. So thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content this every day, and thanks for watching.